the window so you don't get reflection.
I'm currently not Seagull fight. I'm not.
This is science, Charlotte.
Imagine if steal for his head and just seagull.
Is that their like faces that got all of?
The bike rides on his beak.
Maybe have a kiss.
Only maybe 5 foot.
Connor! It looks like you and Jess when you were playing hide and seek. It looks like you and Jessica when you were playing hide and seek.
Everybody's come to see the seagull fight. Seagull fight. Seagull fight.
I think the one on the right. Yeah, the left one's like the underdog. I think the right one.
I like the left one. Left one's cute.
The right one's gonna win.
Oh, here comes another one.
Oh, another seagull comes to judge. Oh! I think other seagull's gonna win.
He's just like, what's going on here?
Oh, I know!
Seagull.
What is it?
And another one.
Where?
Seagull fight. Seagull fight.
What about the kissing? Oh, maybe male versus male for
Yeah, this
what the heck?
Oh, when are they going to stop?
They're going to fly away together.
Oh!
No!
His knee!
Oh, he's giving his foot.
Oh!
Foot now.
Oh, no! They're taking each other off. They're going to pull each other.
Seagull
They're
fight.
going to fall off.
Oh, the left one's getting.
Yeah, the left one's winning. I knew it.
No, the right one's gonna win.
I want the left.
That's probably the girlfriend.
That's like the teacher.
Yeah.
Stop fighting.
10
minutes go. Oh! No, go!
10 minutes golden time. What happened? They started
No!
fighting.
Get off the left one.
Get off the right one.
No, I want the left one to win.
Lefty.
Right one. Oh, look at the other two in there fight then.
No! Oh! Oh no! Go to the right.
Lefty. The last one was like the younger one. That's why I'm
Who
surprised.
ain't involved in that one?
That'd be his girlfriend, wouldn't it?
No.
Because she looks different.
Yeah. Aren't these different coloured ones a girl?
So it must be a girl in it. It's like, must be protecting a man.
Should we protect them?
No!
They're still having a fight.
Oh, guys.
Where are they? Can you see them?
No.